Welcome to the Phoenix Hunter channel. Today is January 20th. So overall, last week it's a excellent rally in U.S. markets, and the highest point here is market is in all-time high. So it already crossed that January 2020's high. So I didn't expect actually really, but ultimately we have to accept the fact. So especially on Friday, it's a very super rally, and even the entire my portfolio, right? Overall green around with 1% overall upgrade in my portfolio. In term, I'm saying in the weekly basis. Okay, and the main thing here is yesterday, I guess, I'm keep on taking the stocks. So the size of my portfolio is 84 stocks in my portfolio. It's ridiculous, but yes, I'm going with my plan. But difficulty here is taking the stocks is easy, but keeping the stop losses and all those it's very difficult, right? So let us see. But I'm going as per the plan. I know the path is a little bit difficult. Means taking like 1% to 2% for each stock, right? So it's difficult actually. But why I'm taking only 1% and 2%? Right, I'm closely watching this dollar. So what happened is this is the opposite of the dollar, means it's a positive correlation with the stock market. But actually, so I feel the market is not, the bottom is not completed. If you see here, this is looks like one, two, some three, four here, or maybe it's still going on, like, right? So still I'm expecting one more decline in the market. So it's a smaller one, right? It's just a 1 hour chart. Okay, so after that, yes, it will start I can say 2 more months rally, something like this. Okay, so this is a big one from October end onwards, and then small decline correction, and then a huge up. Okay, it's a wave 3 will start, but the wave 3 will start really again in S&P. I don't know. So this is a very interesting question for me. If I am looking the dollar, right? So dollar is going to decline again. So this is a one, and this is a two. I'm not sure whether it's almost completed or not. This is like see 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm expecting one more spike on DXY, and then it's a huge decline. So huge decline means the market should go up, but is it really correct? I don't know. So that is the reason, even for the short period, right? I'm expecting one more up. So that is the reason I didn't take like 4%, 5% each stock, so that since I'm not confident, uh, yes, I will go with 1% scenario. Okay, that is the default scenario. If you see my portfolio now in the overall, the gold stocks, I think all the gold stocks, I think I have some around 4 to 5, means approximately 6 to 7%. Everything left with by hitting the stop loss, and only I don't know why this one is exist still. It's a surprise for me because the gold is keep on going on. It has to go more. This is it's going as per my expected, something like I think 1 2, and then it's a big decline 1 2. Maybe this is part of 1 2 and it's a huge decline I'm expecting, but I am not sure because the DXY is going down, right? So after a small spike, so then I thought this is the end. So maybe what is this two? Um, I think might be this is end and it may go up. It's a huge rally to all-time high, but I'm not sure right now. But after this huge decline, also this stock has, I don't know why this stock has survived so far, because I think maybe unfortunately I given a very long um, uh, stop loss. I think I given my stop loss somewhere here. That is the reason it didn't go. It didn't hit so far. Okay, I took somewhere here. I think so already some okay, some okay 1 2% decline so far. Okay, so it's relatively strong, very good. So still, and if you see here, I took FPRR, Bull, Darling, and some junk publishing these telecom stocks and Lulu and some gambling stock and Chewy, right? And casino stocks, MGM resorts, right? Many of them, I don't know the names. I'm going as per the my what do you say the strategy. But I'm very interesting why I'm getting 4 oil stocks. Actually, oil is I'm bearish. I think um I taken 5% this SCO. Is it really there? One second. SCO I taken with 5% with very confidently, and now it is just almost 1982. Okay, SCO I taken with 5% or 4% in my portfolio. So this is the one I'm taking. So almost at the break even. So I taken somewhere after here. Okay, at 19.82 somewhere. Okay, 19. So this is around 4% in my portfolio, and some are bullish. I don't know. I taken these stocks. I don't know why I taken. So just to go with HLX, I will see why I taken this stock. Okay, very good. I taken somewhere here it should be, right? Almost to break even. Okay, very good. So I like that. I'm long 4%. I mostly short in 4%. Okay. Okay, good. So BTU thermal coal. I'm confident on this chart. BTU. So many stocks I taken yesterday, means on Friday, but I think I took this after mm, miss the rally because I cannot take after this huge spike gap up. how much? This is 10% gap up. Means overall in single shot in first 1 hour. But I cannot take this gap up, right? I cannot say it's a confirmation. So I think I taken here. So right, I taken after completion of two greens. So almost break even. All are almost break even 1%, 2% here and there. Okay, let us see. Asset management, I'm preferring to avoid, but I'm trying to avoid because see, market is rallying, right? So why I should take asset management and all those? These are all some safety stocks. Okay, and I saw you see every stock is going up. Okay, so because of this moving all-time high, right? Everybody is bullish. So easy money environment, but it's not like that. Okay, but so many every all stocks are green. Okay, so I cannot take everyone, right? So I taken two bank stocks. These are also generally I should not take these kind of thing. I will try to avoid. Means avoid means there are many plenty of stocks, right? And PayPal. See, this is the one short oil short 4%, and VXX I taken with some 2 to 3% because what happened is after some period, right? I saw a divergence. If you see here, so what happened here is market is still going up, but I saw a divergence here. Okay. So this is the reason I started the position. Okay. But actually, I didn't get any confirmation. Okay, I can say that this is a confirmation. It's already actually the problem here is see this is the one beauty thing here. I didn't get the confirmation. I'm every hour I'm watching this stock. Okay, see once it hit here, no confirmation. It came down. Okay, so it crossed here, right? And actually this 12:30 candle, right? I don't consider on each stock. Okay, the last 1 hour, half an hour, right? The end of the day candle, I don't consider. Okay, so next day gap up, very good, and next down, so no confirmation. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So after reaching 10% of these, right, almost to 10%, if you see, right? So I didn't get any confirmation. I'm watching. Okay, but here on Friday, Wednesday, I got yes 2 candles. So I should take here. Then huge plunge till here. So 7%. Then definitely I will shock, right? Because maybe if I take here, then I will. This is my stop loss. So it will hit because this is a gap up, right? So I will keep my stop loss here. So definitely it will hit and it will come down. Okay. So somehow I'm not confident. I didn't taken, but end of the day, right? So I of course I didn't get any. I didn't consider this stock. I just follow this. I saw some divergence. So, okay, maybe end of the day, some profit taking and closing the positions and all those, right? So, which will spike in generally. So, I taken some 2% stop, what do you say, some 2-3%, and I have to keep my stop loss here. Okay, so it's a pain updating for 84 stocks, right? The stop loss, it's really pain. I came to know now. Okay, so these are all I expected, and if you see, we will go quickly. And actually I taken natural gas also. Boil I cannot take, that is the 2x, right? But last month, I think within the month, I closed with a loss. So that is the reason I cannot take for next 30 days. So I'm taken with this UNG. But the problem here is the oil and gas. I'm bearish. See, uh, I'm bearish since beginning. But I taken the profit for these stock. What is that? Cold, right? Cold I closed somewhere here, right? So I taken somewhere here, and then maybe I closed with some 3-4% because it's 5% in my portfolio. I just closed it quickly. But after that it's a super rally. Okay, but I missed that. But I'm expecting a one more spike till here, or till here, and then it will come down again. Okay, so if it will go, sorry, it will go up here, and I'm still bearish actually. If it's really up here, I will close the position. And if it really goes here, I'm happy to take cold again. Maybe these are all just for 1 day, 2 day purpose. After that, I'm expecting a super rally in natural gas after getting one more spike. Okay. After, so after this, right? So I don't know exactly where it will finish. Okay, I'm expecting one more down. After this, I'm expecting a few months rally. Okay, let us see. Okay, we'll go quickly. And taken some metaverse ETF. These are all 1%. And these exchange related stocks, and a few are old goats. And marine shipping, I'm more focusing on this marine shipping. I have few more stocks in my watch list. I'm happy to add more. Okay, so here I this due to, I think, Middle East crisis. This I got many spikes in shipping industry. So I'm happy. I want to add two more positions. For those I will add. I think I added more than 1% for this because of the current situations. And URI and stuffing. These are all. So actually, what I did is this time I reduced two sectors. Those two sectors doesn't come in my future uh, stocks. I don't trade those, especially the real estate. I hate these REITs because I don't want these dividend stocks and all those. I don't know whether it will go like a technology stocks or not, right? Somehow I'm hesitant to take real estate stocks. BEKE, I'm fine, but totally I removed this sector from my from my entire screener. Okay, and real estate, and what else? I removed the one more sector. That is utilities. Stupid. I don't want the utilities like PG&E. These are all very standard and high dividend stocks. I don't want. I want some spikes, right? Because I want a short-term investor. Okay, so these are all technology stocks I heavily taken, but these are all 1% because of that dollar concern. I didn't go aggressively, but as per the rule, I can go with 1%, but I cannot go more than that. So that is the reason I got some 84. So I taken so many Western Digital, Seagate, Genpact, and all these. Uh, what are the others? some scientific things, and yes, I got so many semi. Even I closed some 2 3 with some 9%, 10% profit, and I have many semiconductor stocks. And if you take, for example, MCHP, what is this MCHP? MCHP. What happened? Yes, I taken here, but see, after a rally, I think I taken here. Okay, so I taken here after two greens after crossing my line, right? So I started all are like 1%, 2%. See, tomorrow if some drop, yes, it will hit. But my stop loss, for example, in this case, right? Where is my stop loss? I think actually it should be here, but this is a good support. So maybe this is too late, right? So maybe I think I can keep it here. It should not good ideally, but due to this huge spike already, right? I think already 9 10% already, right? So maybe see, we'll see. I have to keep the stop losses. I didn't set up. Actually, these things, right? CDNS, and actually, I took some 2 3 stocks here, Synopsis, and all those hit by my stop loss and all those. So, what is this? Really, we finished at 84, I think. Okay. So, what is the software applications, Kingsoft Cloud? These are all actually some low level technology stocks. All high stocks are already left the platform. They are right. So I cannot take. I'm so late actually, right? I'm the last. Um, uh, uh, I'm entering at a very end of the game. Okay, so that's why I got only some low level stocks. And this is YEXT. I think this is some Russian stock, GoDaddy, Box, Solar. So I don't want to see these utilities in my portfolio next time onwards. Okay, I removed all those. So these are all my all 84 positions. So I need some 4 5 hours to keep the stop losses for all these, some adjustments, some new things, right? It's very very hard, but I want to go with this. But before that, tomorrow I want to take Monday, right? FCX. I'm bullish on copper. I'm happy to take some 10 to 15%, especially this FCX, right? I'm happy to take 10% because actually what I'm expecting in FCX, right? So this is a ABC rally. So I missed that rally. Actually, this is if you see, I'm expecting B C. So I'm expecting a 100% um, retracement. Okay. So I'm expecting a minimum 48, but if you go here, so but instead of first 44, right? So 44 means it's too much. At least market should go till here. Okay. Take at least here some 68-point retracement to go till here. So I'm expecting actually from here some 10 to 15% spike, okay, in copper related stocks. So tomorrow means on Monday after first hour, maybe if it is start with green. Actually, I missed that. You see, it crossed here. Fine. Oh, I cannot take that last 1 hour, last 30 minutes candle, right? Okay, I have to wait as per the rule. Very good. So tomorrow, any cost if it is up more the if it starts up, right, with green candle, I'm happy to load with 10%. I'm happy to clear couple of them. Because why 10%? Actually, I have to take only 5% each stock, but CPER, copper ETF. So actually, right? See, I have to take here, but I miss that. But so these are all very small stock, only 500 stocks trading. So I don't want to go with this minimum 100K stocks, the volume, right? This is just a 48,000. I don't want this slow motion stocks and less volume. So, but this copper index ETF, instead of this, I will add for the FCX. And I have one more stock in my radar. I forgot that, but I'm happy to add 5% to that. What is that? Something I taken. What is that? Copper. Okay, somehow I want to remove all these 110 stocks in my sector. Okay, so I missed that one. I think I should get from here. What is this? I saw one stock up that is in my watch list. We'll see. Okay. That is the thing. And second thing is yes, that is the one. And I'm eagerly waiting Tesla Neo. Actually, what happened is I'm waiting for this 223. Okay, once it hit there, so I want to load at least 5% in my portfolio. Tesla and Neo both are in the, but I'm very much happy to take a Neo. But somehow Tesla, I have to compromise to take that, but that is also okay. Okay, but it has to cross this 654. Then I'm happy to load 5%. And Rivian, RIVN, I think this is also very close. So 15.97. Okay, once it cross and confirms, I'm happy to add 5%. Okay, so there are plenty of options, opportunities in the market. If we miss something, so no need to bother, right? There are plenty of opportunities. These are all 5% in my portfolio. So then I will clear some of the mess here, like some of them, which are some dividend stocks and some slow motion stocks, right? So I will clear couple of them, but these are all good. I'm happy to take, but since I taken 84 and nowadays because of my too much confident, I'm going with leverage also. But why I'm taking 1%? Because once I added this leverage, right? Leverage means that is not my money. I cannot use uh, 5%, 10%, 50%. Okay, for one stock. If anything goes wrong, so that will disturb my portfolio. But I don't want the disturbance. First of all, leverage and all those is a secondary. But my primary is I don't want to. I have a lot of thoughts in my mind. See, for example, FCX, right? I'm very much confident to take that. So I'm happy to take 50% also. Okay, but the problem here is I don't want to take the risk at least this till this December. Okay, so I'm very much commit on that. So that is the reason I'm going. Even I know the bullish, but because of that one tick down, right? Maybe 1 or 2 days down. I don't want to take the risk. That is the reason I'm going with 1%, 1%. Otherwise, a couple of stocks are super bullish. Okay, because that after once the dollar declines, right? So all these China stocks it will go just like that. and what I miss that Baba, right? Now it's a buying zone, and it's a perfect buying zone actually. Okay, I had taken here, so finally it came back. So maybe it may go one more down, but it's a very buying zone actually, Baba. Okay, but somehow because I lost this position, and it's 5%, I saw that it's a 1 or 2% loss in for that position. Okay, so there are plenty of options, and one more thing I have to tell the Bitcoin. What happened? Bitcoin is um, I taken the 5% position with that BTM because I thought it's a just 1 or 2 days bullish. I taken here somewhere, somewhere I taken here, I think here, right? So after two greens, I think 10:30, 9:30, 10:30. I taken here, and then suddenly it came down. And even I'm bearish in Bitcoin. Suddenly, because of what happened is I closed this position with 1% loss. Okay, and suddenly this what happened? So this one, right? This drop, I surprised because of that. Which one? 4, 5. I think I thought it will go a little bit up, but suddenly it came down, and it's surprised me. But luckily, it went up again, right? In this rally, actually, I closed the position because yes, it's bearish. Okay, so I closed the position. Why it's bearish? If you go here, why it is bearish? This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, some 4. It's a 5. Then what's the wrong? It has to go up. Now it um, somehow is it 4 and 5. Somehow I didn't convince this one. This is A, B, and C. So I'm expecting this is like it may be A, B, and C. So like that, I'm bearish actually right now because of this decline. Maybe this is possible like 4 and 5. So then one more spike till here, and then this is might be a B and then C. But overall, it's bearish. I'm bearish. Okay. Even the market is going up, I'm bearish temporarily on Bitcoin. Okay. So I closed the position, but I'm closely watching all crypto related stocks. These are all super in the buy zone, continuously going down, continuously going down, right? So I'm expecting a opportunity. Now these are all meaningless. Okay, I'm looking for the new opportunities. Lot of opportunities in Bitcoin, but temporary. See, 47% decline. Wow, opportunities are there, but still, it will go a little bit down, and let us see what will happen. But I'm closely watching. This is it ABC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is A and B. Is it really C? And it may not end, or is it 1, 2, 3? We don't know. But there is, I think, still it's still there is a this is a potential. Okay, but I don't expect that. Okay, if it reach across the 11.90, we'll discuss. Okay, I'm watching that. Thank you.